Okay. First you need to arms up in the air. Arms up. Whee! Big circles with your arms. Big circles with stretching. Open the book. Okay. What else have we got here? What are we going to do today? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. Stretch your arms out wide and high, like a rainbow in the sky. Now flap your arms up and down, like a butterfly flying all around. Dancing all around. You be careful up there. Now look up and blow a kiss to the stars and make a wish. Then hide with your eyes with the turtle and go peekaboo, surprise. Look. Just give you a kiss. Say bye bye.